So the last site improvement that we really want to calculate is our seed and sod area. So we've got seed area over here, we've got some sod area over here, and got a little more sod over here. So I'm just gonna start up in this corner again and pretty much do the same thing we did before. So I'm just gonna go up, and I know this is sod, so I'm gonna click on the sod here, and I'm gonna start my collection point here. I'm gonna record, and then I'm just gonna trace the edge. Now, because we already did the sidewalk in here, some of this could be done with a little bit of extra work, but I would just come off of the sidewalk, like maybe a couple tenths, and just run another line, and then when I running this, I'm going to run the top, right? Basically, wherever the sod or this was seed, whatever it happens to be. So I'm going to come in here, I'm going to come in this one, get out of the curve, and then maybe we got some more stuff there. Then I'm just going to close it. So just like we did before with everything else, we're closing it. So you're just tracing that. And again, remember, I'm going to be in the field doing this, not really necessarily emulating this. But over here we got sod, so I'm going to repeat that, which I've already done. And then over here is going to be seed. So this one you got to kind of trace all the way around, down around the outside. Again, following the top back of curb, and then closing it back to where you started. So you can start basically anywhere. So if you want to start down here and work your way around, you can do that as well. So that's pretty much all our site improvements. Definitely we can continue on. Like realistically, I would probably do the center line of the road. I would probably draw in, this as an edge of pavement. So I still got some more codes that we need to create, like edge of pavement and, center line of road and, other features. But again, for instructional purposes and to kind of get you started, this would be a good start for, maybe a typical project. So we'll go ahead and think we're ready to bring this back in the Business Center and synchronize, and then do our report to determine what our lengths are. So, like I said, as you can see, most of the heavy lifting is actually done in Trimble Siteworks out in the field. So we'll move on to the next chapter and synchronize this back into WorksManager, and then bring that file into Trimble Business Center.